Hello everyone. Today I'd like to show you the drilling of 3-wall cabinets, for example, for a laundry room on the MS Line 704 machine. We're trying to do this entirely on the lift to show how quickly such a process takes place. So I'll start the stopwatch on my phone. The stopwatch has started. I generally didn't do any calculations, nor did I prepare for this drilling in any way. We'll be drilling these 3 hanging cabinets. They have an unusual depth and an unusual height. So the machine should adapt to us and not us to the machine. So I'll quickly do the calculations. We have 2 left cabinets and 1 right one. We don't have visible sides, so we'll join the furniture using comfort mats. The side panel height is 900, so I'll quickly calculate the spaces between the shelves. The space between the shelves will be 276. So the first drilling will be for a confirm mat screw. The first support will be at a height of 294. The second one at a height of 588. We'll close the dimension and check if we can. This aligns with the side measurement. Yes, so that is correct. The first drillings I will perform will be horizontal ones. We are going to start up the machine. We'll open up its air valve, and for the purpose of making horizontal holes, we will lift the measuring frame upwards. It is crucial to pay close attention to ensure the stoppers are retracted to a safe position. This particular position is 500 millimeters from the edge of the work surface. And we now need to set the spacing for where we'll drill the top and bottom panels. The depth is quite unusual. The side panel's depth is 304, and the top panel's depth is 284. I think we'll drill it. But a spacing of 224, we have 60 millimeters divided in half, 30 millimeters from the edge. We will use 20 for this distance. For the first drill bit, we have 18 millimeters, and then an additional 32 on the second, which totals 50. Therefore, in order to achieve a precise distance of 30 millimeters, we will need to install a 20 millimeter spacer. We have an odd spacing, so we know that the drill bits will be of 2 distinct colors, meaning they will be both left and right. We can also add a third drill bit for additional reinforcement. We are setting the drilling depth now. For the confirm mat screw, I personally set it to 40 millimeters. 8 millimeters of clearance will remain in the ground, and we'll drill all 6 grounds. We have completed all of the horizontal drilling, so we can now lower the jig frame to a vertical position. I'll change the distance from 20 to 19 because I'm recessing the top and bottom panels relative to the sides by the edge banding's thickness, so I must adjust this distance. If you are doing See if the front is flush and you don't recess the top panel into the sides, the distance would still be 20, right? For wall mounted cabinets, I always drill from the front because on the back side we have a dado for the back panel. It's simply more convenient to do it from the front. I've figured out the 9th position. 294, that's the first shelf's position. The second shelf's position is 580. We'll set up the exact same thing on the other side. Alright, first we're going to drill all the through holes in the side panels. I've already laid out the left and the right side pieces. We have completed all of the through drilling. We will now set up the machine for drilling the furniture supports. There will be 2 supports on each axis. So we are removing the third drill bit. We are changing the depth limitation so as not to drill right through the material. We will first drill the left-hand sides.
We've got all the left side panels completed. Now it's time to move on to the right side panels.
The only thing left for us to do is to drill the mounting holes for the straight draw runner. We have 2 left-hand cabinets as far as I can clearly remember. Yes, 2 cabinets designed to open left and 1 designed to open right for the simple straight runner system, which is the one I'm using. I need to achieve a 21mm dimension. For this, I'm using a 29 spacer on spindles number 2 and 3. I'm changing the drill bit and I don't need to adjust the depth stop because I was drilling supports. And so in a carpenter's way, I think 100 from the bottom, 100 from the top, and the third one, instead of 900, if we twisted that in half, we'll get 450. And that's exactly how we're going to set it up, 450.
We have a complete set.
The second side, that's the left one. We have just one more side remaining, the right one.
Done. We have 3 complete pre-drilled cabinets ready for assembly, and our time is 13 minutes and 10 seconds. So we have 3 complete pre-drilled cabinets, Confermat screws, a straight drawer slide, and 2 rows of shelf supports. If you would like to drill cabinets at this pace and have such a machine in your company, contact us.